Want to turn AI into your personal income generator right from your couch? Well, here's how. Imagine an AI tool doing all the heavy lifting while you actually sit back and get paid. The crazy part? People use these tools just for fun, completely missing out on real cash. Enter AI content writing. Tools like ChatGPT or Jasper can literally whip up blogs and scripts in seconds. So let's break down the exact 5-step blueprint to master this high-income skill totally from scratch. Step 2 is massive. The real secret to making bank? Mastering how to write the perfect prompt. Next, you've got to build that muscle. Practice by writing 2 or 3 pieces of content every day. And here's the absolute golden rule. Always inject your own unique human touch into those drafts. Finally, wrap up your prep by putting together 5 to 10 of your absolute best killer samples. Okay, now for the really fun part, getting paid. Here are 5 proven ways to actually monetize this. First, you could sell gigs on Upwork or confidently pitch scripts directly to smaller, hungry YouTubers. Or write SEO articles for AdSense revenue. You could even manage social media pages for busy clients. Better yet, write AI product reviews and effortlessly drop in your affiliate links for that sweet passive income. But hold on, beware. You absolutely must avoid these 3 career-killing mistakes to actually stay profitable. Seriously, never blindly copy-paste. Clients are paying for your human refinement, not just raw robot text, right? To pull all this off, follow this super rigorous 10-day action plan to launch your new business. Spend your very first week totally mastering the AI tools and building out that essential winning portfolio. Then get those profiles set up and start aggressively hunting down your very first paying clients. The blueprint is literally right here. So, will you be replaced by AI or get paid by it?